My name's Aaron Croman, and I'm going to show you how to put Screentone dots on your art in Photoshop. Okay, so we have our picture, and we want to have it all nice and screen toned. So we're going to go up to Filter, Sketch, and onto Halftone Paper. So we bring up our filter menu. And this is a good place to show it, but you can adjust it and make it a little bit zoomed in or zoomed out, see what's going on. Though it takes a little bit longer since it's doing a lot more. And so far we can see it's kind of black and white, and it kind of uses little dots. So pretty simple, but let's explore this filter a lot more in depth. You can also use different patterns such as circles to do the toning. Taking a little while longer with the big image. So just kind of little circles, circular movement. Then there's also lines, kind of a hatching. So just kind of see the lines. Now using the halftone pattern filter, it takes what your foreground and background color are and uses those in order to get the best mix of coloration for your picture. And then of course what we want is dots. So just wait for it to load up, and there we go. And we can adjust the size of the dots. We can make them real big, so big that it might lose a lot of the information. So yeah, something like this. We can up the contrast till it's just little kind of black and white blobs, or we can lower it until it's kind of more gray and median. But we want it to look more dotty, so just kind of put it down the middle. Okay, maybe a little less contrast. Allow those grays to come in and knock down the size a little so we can get our detail. And that's fine. And there we go. Kind of looks like a newspaper article, something maybe you scanned out of a newspaper. If you really wanted to make it look like that, you can even maybe make things a little bit grayer or so. Maybe put down a solid color with the adjustment layer. Just have a light gray and put it to multiply. And it looks just like it was on a newspaper. My name is Aaron Croman. Good luck with your art.